How's it going, everybody? I'm Eric with 3 Crown Studio, and you're watching part 3 in our current series on how to record drums. Now, as I've mentioned in previous videos, before you even think about grabbing microphones or hitting that record button, it's extremely important that you get your drums to sound good in the first place. So for our first video, we showed you how to get a really great sounding kick drum. Then, we gave you the basics on how to tune your toms. And for this video, I've got my drum expert Cody Maran back in the studio, and he's going to give you some really great insight on how to choose the correct snare drum. So without further ado, let's roll that intro video. I'm going to hand things over to Cody, and he's going to take it from there. Enjoy, guys.
Hey guys, my name is Cody and I'm here to show you how to choose a snare drum. The two main things to look at when choosing a snare drum is the material of the shell and also the size of the drum. First, let's talk about material. Snare drums are usually made out of either wood or metal. Wood shells tend to offer more punch and control, whereas metal shells usually give more attack and body. Next, let's talk about size. Most snare drums are 14 inch in diameter, but they do come in a lot of different depths. In front of me, I have 3 different snare drum sizes, tuned from high, medium, and low. 2 of them are wooden snare drums, 1 is a metal snare drum. Now I'm gonna go through each snare drum so you can hear the difference between all 3 of them. First drum we have is our high tuned snare drum. This particular drum is a piccolo. It has a wooden shell that is 14 inches wide and 3 inches deep. With piccolos, you can expect to get a crispy, tight sound with a short sustain. Here's what it sounds like. Next, we have our medium tuned snare drum. This drum also has a wooden shell, but it's 14 inches wide and 5.5 inches deep. With these dimensions, you can expect a punchy, controlled sound. Here's what it sounds like. Lastly, we have our low tuned snare drum. Unlike the other 2, this one has a metal shell. It is 14 inches wide by 6 inches deep. With a metal snare, you can expect a lot more attack and body. Here's what it sounds like. So that is it for my demonstration on how to choose a snare drum.
Choosing the correct snare drum and tuning for your project can really make or break the overall production of a song. So my hope is that this video inspires you and gives you the confidence to just experiment and try a few different things out and see what works for you. By the way, if you're interested in checking out some awesome musical performances with Cody and his brother Jojo, I highly recommend that you click the link above and go to their channel Maran Media. If you like this video, let us know by smashing that thumbs up button. If you have any questions or feedback, leave it in the comments section down below. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can receive notifications whenever new videos go live. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.